Hey guys, today we're going to install the Teraflex Nexus steering stabilizer. Here's some of the things we're going to need. So we got a ratchet. These are the brackets and the spacer plate. I'm going to have an impact wrench, a ratchet. Here's the stabilizer. I'm going to set it to soft to begin with. Here we have 18mm and 13mm socket. Alright, this is the only hardware that's provided, and some Loctite. Alright guys, here's the old stabilizer. It's got a couple brackets. You can see the brackets here, the bolts. And on this side, we got one back here. And a couple up top. Okay, so we're gonna have to remove this track bar bolt here to raise this up to get at these two here. Alright, so first I'm gonna remove that track bar bolt, and then I'm gonna remove these and then pull this side off. Okay, so I got these three bolts loose. I turned the wheel a little bit to that side so I could get the bolts out the top. They should come right out. Save that hardware. And that is, loosen that right up. The bracket's out. Okay, now I'll get to the other side. Okay, just the 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And this thing should come right out. I'll take it over to the bench and we'll pull this one off. We're gonna keep that, and then we'll install the new one. Okay, I use the red thread locker they give you on these 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. I just got them loose in there, and we'll put the brackets on the other side and we'll hang this thing. Alright. Okay, so we have a spacer and the top bracket. Just goes, the spacer goes underneath the top bracket. This is gonna go up here. Goes. Struggle there. Looks right. And then the bottom bracket goes on. Nuts on there for a second. Alright. I'm going to leave that loose while I put that in and use the old hardware that goes through the top, through the bushing. Okay, so I made two problems. I put this bracket on backwards where the length was facing this way, where the hole was here rather than over here. And the other problem was that I needed to take this bracket off to get this eye up in there. They say you can push this, but I couldn't push it, so I had to take this bracket off, put this back up here, and then slide the bolt down. And to get the bolt down through there, I had to move the tire back towards the driver's side to get that lined up. Now I'm going to torque these down. See, torque spec is 59 inch-pounds on these, and the axle side is 30 foot-pounds on these smaller bolts. So I'll get those all torqued in. Okay, so we're all torqued down. I'm gonna leave it on the firm setting for highway driving, but everything looks pretty good. Everything's torqued down. Just made those few mistakes there with that bracket, but the rest of it's pretty simple. This took me maybe an hour with filming and everything. So if you guys like it, please like the video and share. I'm gonna probably make another video of how it drives on the 3 settings for firm, medium, and soft. But besides that, thanks everyone.